For some years now, I've been traveling with Ethiopia Airlines, and these are some of the reasons I like Ethiopia Airlines. One is affordable compared to other international airlines out there. Secondly, the airline has a great hospitality, and thirdly, is an African airline. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what it's like to travel with Ethiopia Airlines. I will be traveling from Jakarta, Indonesia to Lagos, Nigeria.
I'm about to check in right now. Already done checking in. Right now I'm heading to my gate. One of the worst thing I hate while traveling is shitting on a plane. So I rather do it first, then get to the plane. About to boarding right now. Actually, I'm quite late. I had to go and get a medicine because my stomach was really disturbing me. So right now they are calling for the late call. Man, I'm rushing now. Hopefully I don't miss my flight. Yeah, Ethiopia. Okay, thank you. I made it. I was very, like it was like this. I nearly missed my flight, but thank God I made it, and I'm so happy right now. So right now I'm lucky. I got the window seat, so that's my favorite part in the airplane. That way, when I want to make a cinematic video, oh my God, it's gonna look so lit. Sorry, bro, where you from?
Sorry?
Where you from?
Philippines. Actually, we are going to Addis Ababa, but it's only for transit. Yeah.
Only for transit.
We are going to Rwanda.
Rwanda. Oh, okay. I've been to Philippines once. Yeah, it was like Manila.
Where is it? Manila.
Yeah.
Making a vlog?
Yeah, I'm making a vlog. So what's your name?
Guys, huh?
What's your name?
Ray.
Ray. Are you?
My friend. Kindro.
Kindro. Okay, nice to meet you guys.
So our first flight was from Jakarta to Bangkok, where we waited for 45 minutes for other passengers to board in before the flight takes off to Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. But before then, I decided to thank my Nigerian brother who helped me out financially with a local currency when I was in need of a medicine for my running stomach in Jakarta airport.
No, with them after he just he was the one that helped me out. There is really a good people here. Seriously. No your balance. No. Yeah. He even gave me the balance. Thank you. Get the other guy. Come on. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much.
No problem.
I got Luna Ethiopia now.
So we are the same.
My guy. Check us aga. Tell the body
Yeah. What's up, my baby? You already know it.
Alright. Yeah, thank you for that one. I think you made it 5 before. But I happen in Ethiopia. I said, make I hear you guys.
ላይ ምንም አይነት ዕቃ እንዳታስቀምጡ፣ በተጨማሪም ማጨስ ክልክል ነው የሚለው ምልክት እንድታከብሩ እንጠይቃለን። እናመሰግናለን።
So in here, I was venting about the lack of light inside the toilet before I had a long pee that lasted almost a minute 28 seconds. Oh no, I just made that time up. So immediately the flight landed in Bangkok. Some cleaners came into the plane to clean some of the little mess we the old passengers made before the new passengers boards in.
So basically guys, we just landed at the Ethiopia Addis Ababa airport right now. So I gotta wait and wait for my time. I have to wait for my next flight to Lagos, Nigeria. So right now I want to go look for my gate. Then I think I'll be leaving around 12 something. It's okay, let me just check what the time it is. I think we're leaving around 6 or so, 6 in the morning, then to arrive in Nigeria around 12. So guys, I'll keep you guys updated.
I'm back again to my beloved sorrowful country. Oh, I know you may be wondering why I choose to describe my country this way, but let's leave the story for another day. If you find this video very informative or entertaining, please don't forget to click the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you on the next one called